In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Facebook Ads Manager efficiently, getting you up and running with your advertising in no time. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just curious about how Facebook ads work, this guide will cut through the confusion and simplify the process, allowing you to focus on creating impactful ads that resonate with your audience. Let's dive into the world of Facebook Ads Manager, a powerful tool designed to streamline your advertising efforts on one of the largest social media platforms around. With billions of users, Facebook offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach potential customers. But knowing how to manage your ads effectively is key to harnessing this potential. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is visit Facebook Business Manager. This centralized hub is where you'll manage all aspects of your Facebook marketing and advertising activities. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's designed with user friendliness in mind, ensuring that even beginners can navigate its features with ease. Once you're on the Facebook Business Manager homepage, you'll see an option to log in with Facebook. Click on this to proceed. This straightforward step ensures that your Business Manager account is linked with your personal Facebook account. It's a seamless way to integrate your activities across Facebook's various business tools without having to juggle multiple logins. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose the account you wish to use. This could be your personal account or a specific business account if you manage multiple profiles. Select the relevant account and move on. This flexibility allows you to switch between different roles and permissions, depending on your needs and the structure of your business operations. Following that, navigate to the lower left panel of your dashboard and look for an option labeled Ads. This button is your gateway to all things advertising on Facebook. Click on it to proceed further into the ad management process. This division within the Business Manager ensures that you can focus solely on your advertising efforts without distraction, organizing your campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads efficiently. The final piece of the puzzle is clicking on Ads Manager. This is where the magic happens. Ads Manager is the control center for your Facebook ads, offering a comprehensive suite of tools to create, manage, track, and optimize your ad campaigns. Whether you're looking to boost your page posts, get more leads, increase traffic to your website, or drive sales, Ads Manager provides the flexibility and insight needed to achieve your marketing goals. Now that you're in Ads Manager, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see options for creating new campaigns, setting your ad account preferences, and analyzing the performance of your ads through detailed reports. The interface may seem daunting at first glance, but it's designed to offer you control over every aspect of your advertising, from targeting and bidding strategies to creative design and placement. Before you dive in and start creating your first ad, it's worth spending some time exploring the various features and tools available within Ads Manager. Understanding how each element works together to form a cohesive advertising strategy will save you time and resources in the long run, making your ads more effective and ensuring better returns on your investment. Remember, successful advertising on Facebook isn't just about creating captivating ads, it's also about understanding your audience, refining your targeting, and continuously optimizing your campaigns based on performance data. Facebook Ads Manager equips you with everything you need to make informed decisions, tailor your messaging, and achieve your marketing objectives. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Facebook Ads Manager. By following these steps, you're now ready to embark on your advertising journey, armed with the knowledge to utilize this powerful tool to its full potential. Whether you're aiming to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or boost conversions, Facebook Ads Manager is an indispensable ally in your marketing arsenal. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just embarking on your advertising journey, I hope this guide has demystified the process of using Facebook Ads Manager and given you the confidence to launch your campaigns with ease. Happy advertising!